Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 28th to July the 31st reading. No? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. No? Nagla-live din po tayo doon. Yan. Kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, magsimula na tayo. Scorpio, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang inilalakad tayo sa memory lane. No? We're walking down memory lane. I feel like may push or pull, no? Na parang, uy, tumingin ka sa likod mo, merong taong nag-aantay. Uy, baka naman nakakalimutan mo, no? Sabi ng puso mo, no? Kinakalabit-kalabit ang utak mo, no? Uy, may taong mahal mo, baka nakakalimutan mo, nandun sa likod. Ayan. So, ang nakikita ko dito, meron na talagang separations, whether it is physical or energetic separations. Dahil ba ito sa lamig ng panahon? Dahil ba kapag umuulan ay, sometimes or most often than not, when it's raining, that's where our dramatic moments na lumalabas, no? Meron pang kapag umuulan, nandun napapatugtog ng love song, nakadungaw sa bintana habang pumapatak sa mga salamin ng bintana ang ulan. No, music video yan. Doon mo naaalala itong mga taong mga nakaraan. No? Na doon yung part na habang umuulan, no, iiyak din tayo, no? Parang inaano natin yung isinasabay natin ang patak ng luha natin sa patak ng ulan. Ayan. Sabihin natin there's still some emotions, no? There's still some pain that needs to either face. One thing is for sure, parang meron lang talaga ditong taong umiwas, hindi talaga hinarap, no, ang issue, biglang nawala. Siguro, sabihin na lang natin, hindi pa yun yung time para makipag-usap, hindi pa yun yung time para ayusin. So, instead na, nakukulitan ako, no, layuan ko na lang, i-block ko na lang, wag kong pansinin. Pero ito yung time na parang yun nga, may kalabit, no? May kalabit na, i-check ko kaya, no? I-unblock ko kaya, tapos i-check ko kaya kung ano na nangyayari dito kay person. Ayun. Ang dami ding what ifs. Kukuha na sana ako. Ang dami ding what ifs na pwede nating itanong. No, what if kung kami pa kaya ngayon? What if kung hindi kami nagkahiwalay? So nagpa-pile up, no, itong mga questions natin sa buhay. The Hierophant, the Ace of Cups, and the King of Cups. So you know what I'm seeing in here? Ayaw lang natin tayo yung mauna. Okay? Ayaw natin tayo yung mauna when it comes to either initiating a communication, magparamdam uli. So it felt like, sige na, doon tayo sa window, inaantay natin itong taong dumating. Pero hindi ako lalabas ng bahay, no, para puntahan siya. Mag-aantay lang ako dito. Ayoko rin naman tumago, hoy, punta ka dito. No. So parang may sense of pride din naman, Scorpio. parang iniisip mo, kung mahal mo ko, pupuntahan mo ako dito. No? Kung mahal mo ako, susundan mo ako dito. And kapag ginawa niya yon, dun pa lang tayo magkakaroon ng, sabihin natin, sige, pinapatawad na kita. No? Kahit hindi siya mahingi ng tawad, sige, pinapatawad na kita. Oh. Okay, with the Death card and the Six of Wands. So there may be some expectations here that's actually playing on your mind that's about to happen, because the Hierophant is also meeting the expectations, no? Parang Hierophant kasi is a person who can apologize without the guilt of me telling myself that it's not going to make me less of a person, no? If I apologize. So that's actually very humane. With the Ace of Cups in here, King of Cups is clarified by the Seven of Swords and the Devil card. So, sabihin natin si person A is a person who's very down to earth. Person B might be a person whose ego is leveled up to the sky, no? So parang, ay nako, hindi talaga ako, no? Ikaw, kung gusto mo, ikaw ang mag-apology, no? Kung gusto mo tayong dalawa magkabate, humingi ka ng sorry sa akin, 'di ba? And I believe whoever, no, kasi yung sa isa, hindi naman kabawasan sa pagkatao ko na hihingi ako ng sorry. No, sige, sorry. And you're gonna feel the sincerity of the apology naman. With the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Ace of Wands. So, meron talaga ditong tao na, kumbaga, inaangasan lang din yung isang tao. Pero I felt like the communication is not going to happen face to face. It's more of using the internet, no? Either video call, email, text, no? There's really something in here that somehow ends the communication with the Ten of Swords in here, clarified by the King of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. And I believe that there are attempts from the person who really needs or wants to reach out. Hindi lang talaga makapasok. Probably nga naka-block, nag-iba ng number, what have you, that there is some blockage for this person to parang let the message comes across, no? But I believe once na makalusot itong message na ito, once na magkita, I feel like may mangyayari dito, and that's something very intimate, no? So meron lang nagpapahabol-habol, no? Pero inaangasan lang, pero there's actually a soft side in here, which I believe that you might gonna end up having an intimate moment with the person, and that's actually the time we're in na magkakabalikan. There's actually reconciliation, and I believe that both of you still loves each other, no? Both of you still wanted to be together. Siguro, sabihin natin totoo yung nararamdaman nitong, sabihin natin medyo prideful, kasi nandun siya sa peak, no, ng kanyang moment, and probably siguro hindi niya pa rin nakikita yung person. I believe na once makalusot either the communication or makita niya yung person, meron ditong parang ice cream na biglang matutuna. O, di ba? Parang tanggal angas. Natanggal ang angas, yun pala. Ayun. Tapos pag may nangyari, as if walang nangyari. Gets? Kapag may nangyari, parang wala nang nangyari. Ayan. So let's see here. Scorpio, the emotion This could be your person's emotion, or this could be, yeah, your emotion or your person's emotion. I remember the day we met like it was yesterday, and will you help me? So I feel like someone is really reaching out, no? Um, Parang nagawa ko na lahat ng pagre-reach out. Ikaw na lang ang inaantay ko. So, sige na, i-unblock mo na ako. Sige na, please, tanggapin mo na yung apology ko. Sige na, please, makipagkita ka na sa akin. Sige na, please, I'm truly missing you. So, it kind of make me feel like kapag nagtagpo talaga yung mga mata ninyong dalawa, parang dun magfa-flashback lahat ng memories. Not just the memories, even the feelings, no? Parang babalik yung kilig, parang matatabunan itong inis, galit, pagkamuhi, no? Um, Parang mahuhukay itong love, passion. So, makipagkita na, no? So that's actually your reading. Scorpio, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, nabuo agad ng earth signs. Pisces, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer, o buo din ng water sign. So this is your reading, Scorpio. Baka kapwa Scorpio, no? This is your reading. And again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. That's Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, sa kabilang channel din po yan. No? Scorpio. Yan. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan ang live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling niyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po ang aking link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. And sa pinakababa po, nandun yung question form. Nandun po yung information, how much per question, QR code, the name. There's also the number for your reference, no, Scorpio. Kasi meron po mga gumagalang fake accounts. So, you may want to check, no, for reference yung number and yung name. Pag hindi po siya nag-match, hindi po ako yon, no? Si Scorpio. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo rin po mag-avail ng ating private reading, doon din po yan sa description box, no? Check nyo na lang yung information. Tuloy pa rin ang ating manahan, no? Nasa description box din po yung link ng mga fake accounts. Report it, take a screenshot, and send it to the designated email na nandun din naman for you to win a raffle for a free of charge reading. Ayan. Si Scorpio, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste po. And see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.